Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is Company's House. Now, we added this about a year ago. I've been waiting a while for someone to ask for it because I knew it would be useful, and I couldn't really get it in while we had a backlog, which we always seem to have. It's just one table, but it's really, really big and useful, I think. It's got, let's see, 28 million rows in there so far. Data going back to September 2024. But basically, it's just all the data from Company's House. Let's have a little look what's inside there. So, Company's House, where is it? Here it is. I scroll through the schemas deliberately in these videos so you can see all the other stuff we've got. Yeah, company name, number, address, all the columns. Just get the free link in the description below. Takes you to this data that you're looking at here, and you can get access to it for 30 days. Thanks very much.